In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator codes not working. If your codes keep failing, especially after switching phones, the quickest fix is to re-register the Microsoft Authenticator app and then clean up your old device. You'll need a computer and your phone handy. Start on a computer and go to office.com/apps, then sign into your Microsoft account. Keep your phone nearby in case you're asked to verify with a different method you still have, like a text or email. Once you're in, look to the top right, click your profile picture or initials, and choose View Account. This opens your Microsoft account dashboard. On that page, find and select Security Info. This is the hub for all your sign-in methods, passwords, text messages, and Authenticator apps. Next, click Manage How I Sign In. Think of this as the control panel where you add, remove, or change how you verify your identity. Now click Add another way to sign into your account. We're going to add the app-based method again so your codes and notifications are tied to your current phone. When prompted for the type, choose Use an app. Microsoft Authenticator is recommended here because it supports both verification codes and push approvals for work or school accounts. Grab your new phone and open the Microsoft Authenticator app. If it's not installed, download it from your app store, then open it. In the app, tap Add Account, choose Work or School, and then select Scan QR Code. If you're asked for camera permission, allow it so the app can read the code. Back on your computer, you should now see a QR code on the screen. Point your phone's camera at that code and hold steady until it captures it. If the code doesn't scan right away, increase your computer screen brightness and make sure the entire square is visible in the camera frame. After it's scanned, the account will appear in the app and you may see a quick test approval to confirm everything is connected. Approve it on your phone if prompted. Finally, return to the security info page on your computer and remove your old device from the list. Deleting the outdated phone prevents confusion and keeps your account secure, so future prompts only go to your current device. That's it. Your Microsoft Authenticator notifications and one-time codes should now work from your new phone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back in without the hassle.